Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 4:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Friday. This is a redo because I put some 20-second video out earlier. Sorry about that. So November 5th, 2021. It's the weekend is now finally arriving. So this is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Subscribe and hit the bell when you want to be notified as and when these videos come out, as well as click the thumbs up, share the video. We're talking about the Origin protocol once again. And I had a full video earlier and I lost the whole one. I put the wrong one up. Intraday updates are on the Twitter link below. Let's go straight into the market. Sorry about that. I know about a dozen of you watched the wrong version of it, but I'm doing another one anyway because I lost the real version. So, certainly broke this line of support, definitely starting to trek back down into this triangle. Now, a couple of things about this. You know, we have one stop of resistance right around, support around 96. Second stop of support around 88 cents. I don't think we're going to go below that. So we'll see. We'll let this complete its downward cycle here, but looking like 96 to 98 at the ultimate bottom is what I'm calling for this weekend. I'll continue to tweet this out as well so that you all have an idea. In fact, we are breaking through this support line. Notice how sharp this drops once it passes this level of support. We're certainly, we're kind of caught between this line here at 1649 and 1501. So we could be going down 10% from here, which would bring us squarely down to the 88-cent range over here as well. So anyway, just keep your eye on this. Hopefully it's just a temporary fake down and we come back up. Otherwise, expect a pullback to the 1500 level on the Origin Bitcoin pair. And for Origin US dollar, expect a potential pullback down to the 88-cent range for this weekend. Now, Bitcoin US dollar is also kind of teetering on the edge here, but not breaking it yet. And I don't want to say yet because it might not break it. But in the meantime, we do have a solid line of support that kind of goes all the way back here since October 6th all the way to now. So it's about a month in the making, and we're going to have to, continue to monitor this as it goes. It almost looks like part of a channel where this green line is the line that goes straight up to 80,000 on December 31st, which is where I'm expecting Bitcoin to ultimately land. Sometime between now and December 31st, I expect Bitcoin to hit 80,000. We're at 60,000. We got a third of the wood to chop to get there. But in the meantime, let's look at Bitcoin dominance. We are squarely down. There is no doubt about it. This thing is going on its merry way. This gives me indication that the altcoin market is, the overall market, there's a little bit of risk capital going in here. There's a lot of movement from Bitcoin into the altcoin market. That is telling because this might mean that this Origin Bitcoin drop here could be a fake out and there might be a bounce. I'm not expecting it to bounce, but I am saying it's got a chance. It's got a chance. This could be a W. We could be back on this orange line at 2,000. Otherwise, we drop to 1,500, and over here at 99 cents, we're either going to pull back up to $1.20, or likely than not, 88 cents is kind of like where we're going to range into support. But in the meantime, Bitcoin doing 60,800. I'm anticipating a pull up here. I'm not really thinking this is a head and shoulders, but you never know. If it is, 54 would be the first stop. Worst case scenario that I've got charted is around 50,000 or upper 40s between 48 and 50. I don't think we're going there, but just full disclosure, that's always that distinct possibility. In the meantime, Origin's close to 99 cents. I'll keep you posted on Twitter. Have a good weekend.